Okay, let's do this. Hi guys, it's Kat from my cat shop, and I've recently opened my own reselling business, and I've got a couple of boxes to unbox. I promised a couple of people that I will bring it to YouTube, so there we go. Sorry if the sound is a bit too quiet. It's first time I'm using GoPro and I haven't figured it out yet. So there we are. This is a bit awkward doing it yourself. So guys, this is from a wholesaler, as majority of my orders will be. I will be doing some liquidation, but it will all probably be brand new stuff, as I don't want to risk buying wrong stuff. Let's get rid of that first. Put some on that. So this is Easter item. Let's see what we got. Maybe tonight, just in case. So this is pack. Oh, these are Hello Spring mugs. Let's have a look. Just open one. I've got cute little, oh, not so little, standard mugs. Dishwasher save, microwave save. That's good. Okay. I've got a few of them. Put in the box in a bit because gotta wait for them. So basically, I have my own website, which is my cat shop with the K. That call you that UK, but I'm gonna that's the same. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And oh, it's a bit of a mess, is it? Oh well. And yeah, so I'll put the link in the description. I also sell on eBay, but a lot of it is sort of more either same stuff but for a bit more money, obviously, because of eBay charges, or it is my own personal stuff. So the link is in the about thingy-me-bob on YouTube. And if there's anything guys you're interested in on eBay, or you don't want to buy on eBay, just drop me an email. Here. Oh man, I thought it was going to be in the boxes. Oh. Happy day, flower jug. Or should I say flower jar? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh. Like a knife. This way. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh man, it's gonna be pain. Okay. There we are. Oh, that is pretty. It's a nice jug. Doesn't say anything, so yeah. That's cute. Comes in a box, which is good for shipping. Which way does it go? Hold on, this one. Okay. Put it back in a bit. So I'm assuming this is going to be the same one. There's no yeah, that's the same. Oh, that was quick. That's box one. And let's do the other box. I'll do the other box. Sorry if you can't see much, it's just hard to go into this. I've got the boxes here. There's one. Okay. So yeah, some of it's Easter, some of it's spring. It's gonna be on the website / eBay today. Ooh. Egg hunt this way. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. So that's this. Got a few of them, I think. Yeah, there's anything guys you are interested in. It's not on the website or it's not on eBay. Just drop a comment, send me an email. I'll see what I can do. Because there's 104, 23, 104, 23. Sorry if you see my legs. 104, 23. I have to adjust a little bit. 3, 2, 3. Oh man, don't know if you see it. There's them. Catalogs. Put them on the side. Right, what have we got now? Let's put that here again. Oh, I've got a nice powder. Right, let's have a look. What are these? What are these? Oh, what are these? These are the Easter egg hunt direction post. Oh yeah. This one is Easter hunt bunny crossing carrots. So it's a post pointing Easter egg hunt. Quite cute. Got a few of them. Yeah, so if it's something that let's say sells out on the website and I got it on eBay, I'll just put it back on the website. 1, 2. Oh, that's not that. Are there any more of them? Yes. 3 and 4. Another nice pile. Right, this one's a bit heavy. What is this one? Oh, that's a wall deco. That's a wall plaque. I've got a few of them. 2 different types. This one is Easter Bunny, please stop here. Got like a string with it. It's a quite decent size. Plain at the back obviously, but yeah, got Easter Bunny, please stop here. So I know it's still, well, Easter's just around the corner, but even if it's posted within second class, it should reach you before then. That's done. Let me just get these out here. Let's see what these are. Yeah, I don't know what this is. A bit wobbly. Okay. And these are other mugs. Very good. Oh, yeah. There's one more thing in here. Right. Okay. Right, so this is more wall decor. This one is Low Springs. Cool. Maybe keep some of them. Don't know. I don't want to start keeping stuff because then I'm not going to have a room. And sometimes it's hard to resist. This one is again a red black. I think that's Easter one. Yep. Egg hunt this way. No, let's see if I can do this. Oh, I know which one it is. This is, which I'm definitely keeping one. Because I've got someone who's about to give a birth. My first Easter. Oh, that's cute. First Easter. So if there's someone that's about to give birth or expecting to give birth for Easter, I'll be brilliant present. Oh, what's this one? Oh, these are Easter egg hunt kit. Like that. Yeah, so you get all the 8 signs that are here. So you can place them in different places around the house or in the garden, the pot if it's not raining, if it's not wet. That's one's cool. You can put a clue. Hop to it. That is cool. My daughter's too old for that.
Mom, I don't want to do Easter hunt anymore.
I'm too old for it. But this is a door sign. There's going to be like that on the door handle. It's the only place to up here, so that's brilliant for kids' bedrooms. Yeah, that's cool. And that's that. What else we got? Right, these are where's the other jugs? Oh, the microphone. Right, yeah, because I've ordered 2 types of jugs. One was Easter and one was spring, I think. This is sort of the same style as the Easter one, but that one's just purple. Oops, sorry. Yeah, the same as the other one. It's just spots everywhere. That's called spring mud. Come on, okay. I'll sort it later. Yeah. This one, same. Right then. Last but not least, let's see what's this one. is this Hang on, I'm missing a jog. Oh, I don't know. Oh, so this is an Easter gift. Right, so it's Happy Easter. Got little flowers here. Yep, got little flowers. Got yellow bow. Got some eggs. Yeah, put over the door so you can put it on the wall. Put it any way you like. That's cool. Right then, guys. So this was the last item. So it's a bit small order at the moment. Because I ain't got storage space yet. So I keep everything in the house. But I will be placing an order this week. Some little toys for the kids and probably some makeup. So all that's gonna come out. Should be unboxed next week. Or maybe sooner, depends when it's gonna turn up. So guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment, hit the like, subscribe please, and see you soon. Bye.